Hello, Judd here. It's Thursday, and the goal today is to get all these branches dragged out of here and over to the processing center at the other end of the new driveway. The big branches that are still intact, like that one right there, I'm just going to drag over there en masse because I got a bunch over there like that already, and then I'll pile them all up and cut them with the chainsaw in mass. And the things I've already chopped up into smaller bits, I'm going to lay on a tarp and drag over there. I still don't have a lawn tractor, so I got to drag it by hand. That's the plan. And if I'm still up to it, trimming up this baby here, which all these low branches you see, these are in the way. I will, as usual, we'll see how far I get on any of this. It's not too hot. Of course, once you start working, then it gets hot. There's a nice breeze going, so it's a good day for it. But I am out here at the worst time. It's like 2 o'clock now. Not the best time to be out here. Usually I come out at like 4 or something, but I'm ready to go now, so we'll do what we can and see what we get, and I'll show you the results when I get there. Well, I was right. Once I started working, it got hot. But here's the new pile of full branches I dragged down here into the processing center, which cleaned out most of that area right around the Silvestri palm. Remember, there were several big pieces dropped down in there. Also exposed a couple more that I got to get out. And I ordered all the smaller pieces a little bit better, so now they're in discrete sets that I can process in place, because that's all small stuff that I will be able to cut up for the chipper, whereas some of that other stuff will not go to the chipper. And I cleaned up back there a little bit. That's going to do it for the moment, because that's all I want to do for the moment. And I just remembered I got to go shopping today, so I got to head up to get some stuff. I'm out of food. Not that I eat that much, but gotta eat something, I suppose. Yeah, so maybe we'll pick this up later on, like after 4, after 5 maybe. Yeah, would you believe maybe 6? It's about 6 o'clock. And I just remembered, I don't want to do those in place. I want to drag those all up to the processing center, because that's where I want all the chipping done, because that's where I want all the chips. So there. Pay attention, Judd. Got the tarp out there. I'll load some of that stuff onto the tarp and drag it down to the processing center. Yeah, one run was good enough. Pool, baby, pool. Woo! Happy day to you.